The program will introduce you to virtual reality, starting from the creation of 3D asset to the development of real-time rendering environments, and then to build interaction and more complex, let's say, virtual reality features, moving across 3 different programs, starting from Rhino, that is a very flexible and widely applied across the industry software, to Twinmotion, that is a new reality that is actually becoming very popular and important in our profession, and a real engine that is, let's say, already there from several years, already like a leader in the industry, and that is actually fueling the technology behind Twinmotion. So like it will provide you like a zero to hero learning experience, and at the same time will allow you to penetrate like a very exciting market that is in a quick expansion and will expand further in the next few years. A professional difference between like people that just study software and people that study software for professional use is to be able to have workflows that allow you to be efficient and to deal with different requests by clients. Sometimes you have clients that needs to work with specific budgets. There are clients that needs to work with very tight timeline, and the characteristic of this course is that it will allow you to have different workflows based in front of the type of client you're going to work with. Sometimes you're going to be able to have long time, so you're going to be able to develop very complex projects, but sometimes you don't have this time and you still want to keep the quality and you need to respect tight deadlines. And this workflow we develop because the workflows we use for our own company is a workflow that provides a lot of flexibility in this sense. On the other side, there are also aspects that are unique to the tutor you have. Me and Francesca, we have been working for industry-leading companies like ZIGURAT, Foster & Partners, etc. And this is something related to the unique experience you're going to have working with us. So part of the course is also like the possibility to be studying with us in terms of 3D modeling. We've been working for many projects that has been built, many projects that got the gold medal from RIBA, our winning project worldwide, and we are published in many magazines worldwide. We are constantly speakers in international events, and then this is something like where you should also consider as an important element of the course. This is a course that comes from professional experience, comes from like on-field experience, so may absolutely be different from what you expect. And this is where you should really be open-minded and learn, because it is something like learning from a book or learning from a generic online tutorial, and actually learning from professionals that deliver projects on a daily basis.